Here we go with the mad scientist at work. Yeah. Clifford Samuel doing the island in the kitchen from scratch. Look at the mad scientist go. This is what you call quality work. Quality. From scratch. Just bored. Look at that. Wine rack. A lip. Custom made. Four drawer compartments. Cabinets. Let's look on the back. Look at that. He already started laying the panel work as well. The detail. Check the detail on this top. Still sanding it down. These are all separate sheets of lumber that's been put together. Not only has he did the island, check the pantry out. You really can't see it, can you? Look at that. This pantry was not there, did not come in the house. Look at it. Hand built. Framed. Methodically placed. The door was hand built. Look at that light switch come on to go on the inside. Look at the interior of this pantry. Look at that. 6 shelves. Look at that. Look at that door. Look at that. Look at the thickness of this door. Done by Clifford Samuels. The mad scientist, I like to call him. Inside of the pantry, we do have light. Just an excellent job all the way around. Look at that. Professionally done. This pantry was not here. This was a blank spot. Blank space. The kitchen was wide open. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hand done. You can't get no better than that. I don't care who you got. You can't top this guy right here. Excellent job. So, if you're in need of an island in the kitchen, you're in need of a pantry, if you're in need of just about anything that can be made, Clifford Samuel can do it and will do it. Constant professional. Gotta love it. Out here.